All MPVs should have this function, especially for the neat freaks like you and me. Check the back. After the people using my car, the seats are adjusted differently. Some bags are laid down, some are upright. What the hell, it will take me 10 minutes to restore them on such a hot day. But the new MPVs, look, they have such a default program to move the second row of seats to the last place. This is to divide the spaces for 3 rows average to keep the boot space in this 6 people's MPV. This mode keeps the 3 rows of seats, but move the second and the third rows to the front a bit. The magic storage can move the third row to the frontest to maximize the boot, to make it more room for the boot. No need to talk about the twin bed mode. The second and the third rows are all laid down. Let's choose a mode to show you. Your favorite, twin bed mode, initiated, confirmed. The program will adjust each row of seats to the mode defaulted, so you won't have to adjust them one by one each day. That is fantastic. When 4 people want to lie down to rest, use that mode.